On that. Yeah, that is the one. It's the one. Throwing it. Why is this thing not magnetic? Usually this thing works good. If I can bop both of them on there. This one's going on for sure. Or should I just put it down here? No, it should go there. That went way too easy. I think I overshot. Can't see it, but I'll line it up over here and put me in the ballpark. There we go. Should I try to squeeze that one on there too? Screw it, it's got one. Where's this one going anyway? I'll just stuff it on there. As long as it has one. Don't want to really do it without the one, though. Just because there could be issues. If there's any static charge, it would be like a floating ground in between. Could end up ruining something. Here goes a big failure mode. It's going to start up fine and it's going to go bleep, bleep, bleep. Piss me off. Oh, that's new. That. But the screen ain't working. Wonder why not. It's working, it's lighting, it's one of the data pins ain't right. To clear it out. Wonder if it's loose. It's just too loose in here. Or if I don't have a good connection, should be fine. So I have backlight. Now this thing's been bounced around pretty good. It almost wouldn't surprise me if the screen was toasted. I got a new one though anyway. My Hello World from my Arduino I can put on it if I have to. Yeah, I'll have to figure it out. Always something else. Another day in the life. But anyways, I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out this menagerie and this horrible soldering job. I would definitely give me a thumbs down on the soldering because that was terrible. It was absolutely brutal. I'm going to put it right on Wikipedia on how not to solder. But very much appreciate you guys stopping by, giving me a little slice of your time. Hopefully made something enjoyable or you got to learn or see what not to do. And always much appreciated, guys and gals. And hope you all have a great day. Bye for now.